welcome back to week 3 of Critter Creations. So this week we're going to be doing a tropical tree with animals that you're going to be painting. You're going to add leaves, branches. Let me show you what you're going to get in your kit. First off, you'll be getting a tree trunk. You will get some tropical leaves to punch out and to glue or tape to your tree. You will be getting 3 cool creatures to place in your tree. You got a snake, a chameleon, and a parrot. So this is like more of like a jungle theme this week. And what else? You're gonna need tape or glue for this project. You're gonna need, and you're gonna get a paintbrush too. So let me show you the trick with this great craft. And I'll show you how I put my tree together. What I did is I taped the branches on in different places depending on where I wanted them. I also placed my other 2 animals in there. But let me show you the trick about the animals. That's kind of fun. I'm gonna put that right there and hopefully it stays up. I have my chameleon, which I left over. See him? He's really cute. And I have a little bit of water in a bowl, and I am going to show you the magic. You're just going to take your chameleon and you're going to paint him. Now the other 2 animals I painted ahead of time. You really don't need any paint at all. All you need is a paintbrush and a little bit of water. You're going to spread that out. And you can put as much water or as little water as you like. If you like the spots to show, then you'd only want to put a little bit of water. But if you like it all to be kind of blended, you would put more. See, I'm kind of doing that. I'm trying not to drip it. You would probably put it on the table and do it, but I'm just doing it this way to show you. So you just keep on kind of painting with your paintbrush, and your chameleon will be all different colors. Now when you're done with your 3 animals, and this is just my last one, you'll either glue them or paste them to your tree. And that is it. That's this week's craft project. So I will just wait for him to dry, and then I'll put him on my tree. And I think this is going to be a fun one to celebrate those jungle animals and tropical climates. And you can check out some books from the library about those animals and come down and see us here at the Kinley Library. If you, these projects will be available for you to pick up. First come, first serve after this video is posted. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, and you will see more fun videos and exciting upcoming events on our Facebook page, so check it out. And so there's our cool tropical tree. Now you can put this on your wall in your bedroom. You could put this anywhere you'd like. So basically, simple. You're going to put your branches on, put your leaves on, paint your creatures, your characters, and you're going to either tape or glue them on your tree, or you could just kind of stick them inside where the branches are, like they would naturally be. That didn't go very well, but you know what I mean. So there you go. There is our tropical tree. Come down to the library, pick up your kit, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on Critter Creations. See you next time.